Welcome to English Quizler. Want to improve your English grammar the fun way? Today's quick quiz will test your basic verbs and boost your confidence in just a few minutes. Think fast, choose the right answer, and see how many you get right. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily grammar practice. Here's the very first question. Let's see how strong your grammar game really is. Alright, easy start. Don't get too comfy though. Wait for it. This next one ruins most scores. Still confident? Let's see if that lasts. Oof, that one hit hard. Got it right. You're a legend. Okay, grammar genius. Drop your scores so far in the comments. This level's where even teachers start sweating. Don't let this one break your brain. Almost there. Don't let silly mistakes ruin your streak. You did it. Drop your final score. Only legends make it this far. Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.